Introduction to Deep Learning. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are related. Artificial intelligence is a universal set. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Artificial intelligence is defined as automating cognitive processes normally performed by humans. Artificial intelligence encompasses machine learning and deep learning and also includes many more approaches which does not involve learning. Machine learning is a subfield of intelligence concerned with developing models by exposure to training data. Deep learning is a branch of machine learning where models are long chains of geometric functions applied one after the other. Evolution of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Let's track the history of the developments starting from 1950 till date. Machine learning started in 1950. It predates computers. Initial machine learning models were probabilistic models, particularly naive Bayes and logistic regression. One milestone in machine learning came in 1990 when kernel methods like support vector machines were developed. In 2010, decision tree and random forest models were launched. In 2014, gradient boosting machines algorithm was launched, and in 2016, deep learning neural network got launched. So this shows us that how machine learning has grown with respect to algorithmic innovations, which kept happening since 1950 onwards. Looking at the evolution of neural networks also started in 1950. So early neural networks investigated the core idea with toy datasets. A milestone came in 1980 where backpropagation algorithm was in 1989 first application LayNet, which combined CNN and backpropagation algorithm, was launched. This particular application was used in US Postal Service to automate the reading of zip codes on mail envelopes. In 1997, long short-term memory, known as LSTM algorithm, was developed, which is used for modeling of a time series data. In 2012, significant breakthrough came in the form of ImageNet application. This is a classification application which achieved 84% accuracy as against 74% with classical ML models, which was quite significant in terms of. So this also indicates as to how algorithmic innovations have been happening in the neural network domain since 1950. In terms of data, around 2000, rise of internet made it feasible to collect and distribute very large data sets for ML, which was not possible earlier. Data sets were small, but since 2000, data sets became humongously large. And then after 2010, companies started working with image, video, and natural language data sets. In terms of hardware evolution, in late 90s, CPUs became faster, about 5,000 times more faster. In 2007, graphical processing units were launched, which are massively parallel chips to power graphics of video games. In 2016, tensor processing units were launched, which were 10x faster than GPUs and more energy efficient. So this tells us how there has been innovation in terms of hardware, in terms of data sets, and in terms of algorithmic innovations. Machine learning versus deep learning differences. Input output mapping. ML maps inputs, which could be an image, say of a cat, to target, which is labeled as CAT. This is achieved by training the model with many examples of inputs and targets. However, in deep learning also maps inputs, which can be image of a cat, to target label cat. However, deep learning transforms input data in layers to give target output with many examples of input and target. Deep learning is used when we have large amount of data, essentially in terabytes. It may be a text, image, video data. Difference in terms of layers of representation of data. Machine learning focuses on learning only one or two layers of representations of data. Hence, this is sometimes called shallow learning. Deep learning focuses on learning many parameters in multiple layers, hence also called deep learning. Enabling technologies driving adoption of deep learning. So there has been developments in terms of algorithmic innovations, data, and computation, which has led to overall adoption of deep learning. Namely, prominent algorithm innovations have been support vector machines, gradient boosting machine, backpropagation algorithm, LSTM algorithm, and frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras. In terms of data enablement, availability of large amount of perceptual data due to rising consumer internet. And in terms of computation, availability of fast, high parallel computation hardware at a low price, especially GPUs by a company called NVIDIA. Advantages of deep learning. Deep learning is highly scalable. It is simple. It gives you high performance and it's modular in structure and reusable. So coming to scalability, deep learning can achieve high scalability by using GPUs or TPUs, which provide parallelization. Simplicity, it removes need for feature engineering, leading to simple end-to-end trainable models. High performance, deep learning performs better than machine learning algorithms. Reusability, trained deep learning models are reusable. That is, deep learning model trained for image classification can be used in a video processing pipeline, which is called transfer learning. This graph tells us how, as the amount of data increases, the performance of deep learning improves in comparison to older conventional machine learning algorithms. Achievements of deep learning so far, particularly in the field of image processing. Deep learning has achieved near human level image classification capability. Not only deep learning can classify, it can also classify and localize, which gives it a capability of object detection. So in this image, we can see that deep learning can identify dog, cat, and duck separately. Other development in terms of image processing is near human level handwriting transcription, which essentially means that deep learning can read the text, which is an image, and is able to transcribe it in the same language. Achievements of deep learning in the field of speech analysis. So we have improved machine translation, which are real-time translation into multiple languages with high accuracy, and at the same time near human level speech recognition. Achievements of deep learning in speech. We have seen that digital assistants such as Google now and Amazon Alexa, when we give them instructions through voice, they are able to respond in the natural language. So this is the achievement of deep learning. Ability to answer natural language questions. This is again a big development in terms of understanding the question in the natural language, then able to answer the question. At the same time, we also have improved text to speech conversion. There are a lot of applications which convert the text to speech or speech to text. Achievements of deep learning in decision making. So we have seen improved ad targeting as used by Google, Baidu, and Bing, and improved search results on the web. Achievement of deep learning in decision making. Near human level autonomous driving. We now know that there are developments which have reached the level where autonomous driving is used to carry supply goods. Various experiments have happened successfully in Western nations. Achievements of deep learning in decision making, particularly in a game like AlphaGo, wherein AlphaGo defeated, deep learning application defeated the Grandmaster Lee Sedol with a victory margin of 4:1. And this was a astonishment which fans experienced, wherein they saw that how a computer software can challenge or defeat the human expert. Thank you.